More news coming in. Top Naxal mastermind has now surrendered. It's the biggest blow to Red Terror within the Naxal belt. Political brain of Naxals gives up arms. Bhupati surrender, crushing blow to Naxal. Top gun surrenders. Fadnavis is present when this happened. 60 armed Naxal surrender in Maharashtra. I'm going to go straight across to Vidya for more details on that big story. Talk to us about this surrender and the role that the Maharashtra government played in fact, ensuring that the surrender of this big gun happens here. What is the government now indicating, Vidya? Tell us more.
Well, certainly, we have seen how the Union Home Ministry has been saying that they are trying to ensure that the urban Naxals, especially that Devendra Fadnavis, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra himself, has also been talking about it, as to how the Naxals and the urban Naxals have been creating a havoc. And that's one of the reasons why the government here has been trying to take steps to ensure that Naxalism in itself comes to an end. That's in one of the biggest blow that will be seen, because remember in 2010 there was a huge attack in Dantewada. That's where around more than 76 CRPF personnel had suffered a setback, and that's where Venugopal was one of those Naxals who had masterminded that entire plan, and he is the one who is surrendering now with about 70 Naxals. It is said that he was carrying a booty of about crores of rupees on his head, and now he is finally surrendering. So it certainly is a huge game up for the Maharashtra government as well as the forces who have been fighting the Naxals in the last many years.
I'm going to leave it there for the moment. Vidya getting us up to speed with those details as far as this important surrender. Maoist commander Bhupati along with 60 cadre laying down the arms is concerned. Here details are from the state of Maharashtra.